Welcome to the home of the legend, 56 Old Hope Road, and this is the Bob Marley Museum. Let's get familiar. Bob, born in St. Anne, 9 miles to be exact, on February 6, 1945. Later moved to Trenchtown in 1956. The life story of this great musical giant is well documented, so we won't go into that today. Let's just check out this place, and it's a national heritage site. They have done a good job in preserving this old historic building, formerly the home of Chris Blackwell, a record producer, and later owned by Bob. Inside the building, we get to see his recording studio and his huge mixing board with hundreds of keys and gadgets. Then it was onto his bedroom and his kitchen. This is where he got shot. The bullet holes are still near the stove. His hammock is there, and his guitar and some personal items. Lots of pictures of Bob, the I-Trees and the Wailers performing abroad. There's also a lot of videos, lots of newspaper articles written about this man and his music. Many visitors here today, including a school trip with scores of students from a prep school. You can see many fruit trees, including a variety of palms. The walls are adorned with beautiful works of art. Big up to the professionals who run this place. I was really impressed. Special thanks to our tour guide. It wouldn't be the same without him. Hey, what's your favorite Marley music? Let me know in the comment section. Back in the days when I used to collect CDs, I've collected most of Bob and the Wailers album. The only exception is the classic Babylon by Bus. Here we can see Babylon Rover. If you enjoy what we do here, please consider subscribing. It would mean a lot. As we take our exodus, one love, and walk good and tell them other one out there. See you soon.